Hi, guys! Today we're going to show you how to wrap this 40-ounce tumbler correctly. Firstly, we need to remove this lid, because it will melt inside the machine. Then, we need to unscrew the handle with a screwdriver. We can divide the wrapping into 3 sections: the bottom, middle, and top. We will start wrapping from the bottom, then move to the middle, and finally to the top. We will begin wrapping the lower section, keeping in mind that the paper seam should face toward the handle portion. Now, we can use tape to bond the paper together and ensure a tight bond. Secure the top and bottom extremely tightly. This is a crucial step. You can secure the top and bottom with tape, then add another layer of tape around it. So this is how to wrap the bottom. Next, we'll move on to the middle section. First, use short pieces of tape to bond the paper together. Then cut the tape into short segments and attach the middle sections to the bottom. Please proceed patiently, ensuring each step is completed thoroughly. And remember, it should be tight. It's important to avoid blurry. There's a really important thing you need to notice. Do not cover the handle with subpaper, as this will cause the paper to wrinkle and affect the heat pressing results. This time, we need to position the subpaper onto the tumbler. Then you need to use the tape to stick the paper together tightly. Also, don't forget the top and bottom. You'll need to wrap another layer of tape around them. It can make sure the top will not be blurry. Let's stick more tapes onto other parts. Now, we need to repeat the same steps, using short tape to bond the top and middle sections together. Be patient. Take it step by step. This is how we finish the wrapping.